Good day, everyone. Now, today's class, we are going to look at logarithm under mathematics. Remember, I treated some questions under logarithm yesterday, but we are still going to continue from logarithm as well again in our today's class. Now, let's look at the question on the board. It's very simple, but a bit trickish. Now, let's look at it. The question says find A if log a base 10 into brackets raised to the power of 2 minus log a base 10 is equal to what? Is 0. We are asked to find A. It is very simple. Just as we always do, let's write solution first. Then after that, let's write the question. The question is log a base 10 all into bracket raised to power 2 minus log a base 10 is equal to minus 0. To solve this question, it is very simple. If we look at this, we have log a base 10 here. We also have log a base 10 here. This is the same thing as saying, when you have log a, and rather a square minus a square, a rather is equal to 0. The same thing, what I have here is similar to what I have here. Since what we have here, what we have in the bracket is a and it's the same thing as what we have here. Now, what we have here is the same thing as what we have here. Now, what we normally do is to just say, since this and these are the same, we can simply remove 1 and have this to be a minus 1 is equal to 0. Now, if I multiply this with this, a times a will give us back this. A times 1 will give us back this. Then we still get back our equation. So let's do the same thing to this one. Now, here now, the same thing I did here is what I'm doing here. Now, log a base 10 is common between the two expressions. Now, we are going to have log a base 10 remove, 1 remove out. Then, since 1 is being removed, then you'll be left with 1 here because we have 2 of log a base 10 here and we've removed 1, then we'll be having 1 left. Then minus, here we have 1 of log a base 10. So when we remove it, we are going to have 1 left. The same thing used here is being used here as well. Now, since we have this, remember, let's continue with this. Remember that with here now, if we want to solve this further, it means a is equal to 0. This a will be equal to 0, or a minus 1 will be equal to what? 0. The same thing will be applied here. Then in that regard, we are going to have log a base 10 to be equal to 0. This one, or this, what is inside, to be equal to this, that is log a base 10 minus 1 is equal to what? 0. Now, at this point now, we apply this principle. This a will come down. Then we have a. Then this 10 will come and carry this is 0. Then remember that 10 raised to power 0 is what? Is 1. Or the same thing, this one will be taken to this side. This minus 1 will be taken to this side. Then we'll have log. We'll be left with log a base 10 to be equal to 1. Then if the same rule apply here is applied here, then we'll be having this a left. Then we have 10 raised to power what? 1. Then we are going to have a is equal to what? 10 raised to power 1 is the same thing as 10. That's the final. The answer, the value of a that we have to find is either 1 or 10. Thank you.